What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be playing Backpack Beta with my good old friend NikeBoyTheAwesome. He's in one of my backpacking groups because I met him playing this yesterday. So we're in a backpacking group. So this is my tent. It's pretty simple. And he's mostly decorating. Thank you. But we're just gonna be exploring today, because I was like literally just playing this, and then he joined me again, and he was like, "Hi," and I was like, "Hi." So, like, would it be awkward if we didn't say hi? Yeah, so sorry about like if it's not really decorated on how people want it, but yeah, but I know some people can't play this game, but if you can, go check the frig out. It's amazing. It is, honestly. Okay, I just hopped around there a little bit. So I was thinking maybe putting it there and then putting one of my chairs here. I'm in like love with blue, so we're just gonna keep that. And then the red one can go here. I honestly don't know where it can go. Yeah, it's just like logs. It's pretty cute. I should have a recycling bin in my room. Oh my, and a picnic basket. I'll work it. I love the idea. Who has been... Why have I been so creative lately? Like, who am I? Okay. I love it. I'm loving it. I won. Lol. Okay. So, yeah. But, I'm sorry for eating your pineapple. I was thinking of maybe decorating this. I'm gonna say hello. Hello there. Weird. His tent is pretty big. Guys, I'm saving up for... Whoa. Oh, frick. How rude. But I'll pick up this when you're done. He had to accomplish so much, and then he just had to press the wrong button. I was like... Maybe I should have some logs in here. Maybe spark up the... I know this looks like really weird. Let's hope it's in the right way. Yes. Is this one? No. So you're gonna have to turn it. Yeah. Good thing I did not press on the tent like he did. Sadly. But yeah, we're gonna put that there. Then we're going to... I have nothing else to do. And we should maybe put this, whatever this is, right... I saw. Look how cute my tent. It's just like, let's go ahead and so we're just gonna be exploring, and I'll make the outro around 14 minutes because Green-O-Matic cuts at 15. So I'm gonna put yawns. I'm gonna go to bed. Night night. Just gonna, let's take off the light from here. Okay. So I have no light. So because, let me just tell you, those lights are pretty light. That's what I do. Maybe I should add my campfire here. Oh, how cute. I know you're like, but that just gives you light, but still, it's really cute. Like, it's my own little campsite in here. Can I not get in my bag? Dude. Yeah, I can sit on the freaking chair. This is annoying me so bad. I just want to put another one now. It looks ugly. Dude. Okay, thank you. I know, guys, you're probably like, why does it look like that? Well, it wants to look like that. This dude, okay, I'm trying to be rude here, but you are so stupid. You're so stupid. New word. Better put that in the dictionary. But you are so stupid. Like, why would you put sprays for bears? This is to keep away the bears. Ew. Bears per camp. Bears can hang glide onto this rock. Of course. There's aggravating today. People just aggravate and aggravate and aggravate and aggravate me. Like, okay. I want to see how it's going out there with him, but I don't. Things are going pretty well, my dude. Okay, so I was thinking, can I go explore? Oh, it's spelled explore. Sure. Whee. Okay, guys, we're gonna go explore. It's not my boat, but I'm taking it. I don't care. Okay, we are going. We are going so fast. Because I'm about to end the video. Well, the Screen-O-Matic wants me. Can you unlock your car? I why, but this tastes like onions. And yes, I know what onions taste like because I've done it before. Mmm! How it's locked. This dude really wants to fight with me. I'll unlock it. Okay, then can you go do that, please? Well, for now, I'll fish. Did you see that fish? Thank you. Thank you. Okay. We're going to explore because this video is about to end in like 3 minutes. So, let's probably crash this somewhere and then we'll make it adventure. Yes. I really wanted to have a tornado and then me go in it because I wanted to have that for you guys, but dumb game wants to choose the opposite of what I want. Like, it's not Whee! It's not opposite day. I didn't hear. Yeah, how am I gonna hi sir. Yes! Where's the tornado? Where's that tornado? Oh. I didn't see where I was going. Everyone's such in love with blue. Yeah, I'm in love with yellow. Pastel yellow. Okay, we're going to the volcano. Volcano. Okay, it's a lodge. Okay, volcano, it's this way. Okay, they said it's this way. Two more minutes in this video and okay, guys, I want to get caught in the lava. That's my goal. Oh my god, this tornado better be up here. Oh, yes. That one was nasty. Guys, so I was with my backpacking group. I was trying to get to them because I got stuck in the tornado, and I was trying to get to them, and I suddenly decided, no, it suddenly decides that the tornado should kill me. So I had to go because I was going the short way, and then I forgot how to go to the short way, and then I just had to go the long way, which took, and then halfway there, guess what Guess what happened? My car flipped over, and I had to walk. And get this, when you were going there halfway, it was pretty chill. The other half, it was horrid. Like, I'm telling you, it's like it was a curse on me. Like, they did that on purpose. But, guys, I'm going to end it here. I will definitely go follow my backpacking group. Well, I may do another video with them, but go follow them. If you guys like this, make sure to smash that like button, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye!